Good morning, everyone. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of our principal sports coordinator, Principal 4, Mr. Ricky Malimata. Good morning, sir. Again, welcome to Regional Athletic Association Meet 2024 here at Kaunan Sports Club, Barangay Pasikawan, City of San Pedro, Laguna. We'd like to thank, of course, the President. We have Mr. Joel Encinas, the Directors. We have Chief Bien Saladenia, Sir Robert Rabb, and Sir Joel Catalunan. Maraming salamat po sa support niyo sa amin sa DepEd Region 4 Calabarzon. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.